Good morning, guys. Alright, I'm in the changing room right now and I am about to get changed. The idea yesterday was I'd get home.
Guys, I'm home.
And I'd be able to tell you about my day, then go to sleep and be recharged for the next day. However, I got home so late and I still needed to have dinner, unwind, catch up with my family before I went to bed. By the time I went to bed, it was already 1 in the morning. Also, look at the color of these scrubs today. Ooh, 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 I'm excited. And this is elasticated. That is super exciting. Wow. This does mean I haven't slept as much as I wanted to. I woke up at 6 a.m. to get here for 8 a.m. It takes me over an hour to get here. I don't know if you guys can see, but these trousers are a little bit loose, so that should be fine. Oh my god, guys, look at these 2 pockets. They're so big and deep. I might not even need this bag today. But just out of routine, I think I might keep this bag on me. Got my stamp so I can write prescriptions and notes. Good morning. Yeah, I'm getting changed. Alright, so I'm going to need to hurry up, but still I need to prepare for the day, otherwise I could forget to carry things, which is not what we want. Okay, just going to quickly check if I've got everything I need, such as my stethoscope. Got my mask, I've got an extra mask, got my pen. I need to put some sellotape in here. Then I've got my iPad and my water bottle. Now I'm going to head off. So I'll catch you guys in my break time. See you. Mwah. I've just left medical receiving unit MRU for my lunch break. It's 2 p.m. and the sun is shining. I'm feeling good, even though I know I look very, very tired because I probably am surviving off 4 hours sleep. This morning I was on post-take, which means that I went around with the consultant in A&E Majors to see... Hello? Thank you, bye. I think they got me confused with another junior. Anyway, what happens when a patient comes through A&E, depending on how severe their condition is, they are often seen by a doctor where the doctor looks through their notes, their history, or the medications they're on, and does a thorough examination of the patient. After that, there's something called post-take, which is where it could be the same doctor, or it could be another one, which was the case today. This other doctor looks through the notes and then summarizes to a consultant who also goes through the booklet, and then this doctor and the consultant, they go off and see the patient together. After the consultant has seen the patient, we come up with a solid management plan, and then the junior doctor, which was me today, can go off and do all the jobs that we need to do for this patient. Obviously, being on call today for 12.5 hours means that this phone can go off anytime and that I may be called to do other jobs. So I finished a post-take ward round quite quickly with the consultant. There weren't that many patients to see there, and so I was called to medical receiving unit, which is where some patients can go after they've been seen in A&E. On my way home yesterday, I spoke to a colleague of mine who said that MRU had been pretty hectic yesterday, and I thought it would be actually useful for me to help out, and the medical registrar on call agreed with that. I've pretty much been doing jobs all day: blood request forms, chest x-rays, an ultrasound scan and an MRI scan. MRI scans are a little bit more difficult to request. Here you have to go through a whole questionnaire with the patient where you ask them a bunch of questions like, have you ever had any metalworks done to your body? Do you have any implants? Are you claustrophobic? And these would help the radiologist to know how best to scan and help the patient. I am currently off on my lunch break, and I thought I could show you what I'm having for lunch. Also, just to say, even though I haven't slept so much, or as much as I would have wanted to, I actually feel good. I've had a cup of tea this morning. No, I haven't. I've had 2 cups of tea this morning. I had one at home and then one on my way to work. And then I've had a mocha from Costa as well. As I told you guys, I had quite a bit of time when I was on post-take this morning. And yeah, I got coffee and then just headed out of there so that I could actually be useful rather than just not really doing much, because I don't feel comfortable being at work and not doing much. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. That's just me. These are the snacks I have. I already handed out 2 of these, specifically a set of this. I gave it to a colleague who struggled to actually pack his lunch yesterday. This hasn't been the best assumption, but I just assumed that if on the first day someone struggled to pack their lunch and their snacks, and the second day where they're even more knackered, they might struggle even more. So I just decided to bring quite a load of snacks with me because I just feel like I'm very fortunate in having my mum prepare my lunch for me every single day that I've been coming to work. And I know that if I had to do that myself, I'd probably struggle. And I know quite a lot of doctors who don't stay at home and have someone wake up at 5 in the morning just to prepare their lunch specifically and then go back to sleep. So yeah, I just thought I'd use my privilege in this case to hand out snacks, because I think snacks are very, very important, and I feel that especially when we're working long hours, it's important that we're having some kind of nutrients or sugars in our body. I know that when the sugar in my body runs low, it's difficult for me to concentrate and I get pretty quiet and I just look tired and I struggle to fake a smile. So yeah, I think I would like to continue handing out snacks. I'm wearing scrubs to match the bag, obviously. I've got a wrap here. I'm not too sure what's in here, but I'm excited to know. Oh, there's fruits in here. Oh, I think this is like another burger. Oh, this is a pear, I think. I'm excited. Let's unwrap this together. The irony of unwrapping a wrap. Technically, this wrap can never be unwrapped until it's all in my tummy. Yummy! Wait, where did my mom get these? Is this naan? I'm not too sure what this is. This is super cute, guys. Like a shish kebab. That's so cute. Let me, if you're watching this, I like to say Jazakallah for this. I really appreciate it and I love you. Assalamu alaikum. Look. Wrap cut. Oh, whoops. They're calling me. Hello? Hi, I'm the F1, Dr. Tarvala. I'm literally just having lunch. I'm just trying to eat lunch and say thank you. I want to say thank you for the wrap. Hello, Jelly. Aww. FaceTiming my pet whilst at work.
You too. Hello, how are you? Everyone is okay?
Yeah.
Have your tea and relax.
Aww, she's so sweet. I went through the whole of yesterday not calling my mum at all, even though I was super appreciative of the fact that she packed me lunch. Did she walk me to the bus stop, the station? She did, actually. She did. So yeah, it's nice that I've had some time to let her know that I appreciate her today, and I hope this inspires any of you guys watching to also show some gratitude and be grateful towards the people who are there for you in your life, people who help you and support you. So the next part of the vlog is going to be a little bit heavy, so I thought I'd brighten up the mood by wearing this scrub top. It's a pretty colour and it's comfort level 99. Today's video is brought to you by Skillshare, an online learning platform that aims to help you improve your skills and even develop new ones. Skillshare has a range of courses for the curious-minded, people like you. Topics include animation, illustration, lifestyle. Of course, there are many more to match all skill levels, so you can be confident that you'll find something that suits you. You guys know me, I strive to be better with my skills every day, and this platform really encourages me to stay creative as well as inspired. As you guys might have noticed from my Instagram, I like to have my nails done on my weeks off from work, but with COVID cases unfortunately being on the rise here in London, non-essential shops are closed, and this includes my nail salon. Therefore, I have been attending this class by Imani Nails on nail art. Colourful, creative designs to paint and share. I bought this nail kit from Amazon. Maybe I'll get experimental and try some nail art at home, or if that doesn't work out, I'm sure I'll think of something to take to my nail lady in the future. The first 1,000 of you to use the link in the description below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium, a place to unlock your creativity. Hey, listen guys, I wasn't going to come on to talk about this because I haven't really seen it done or heard of it being done on the internet, especially in the UK. so it is a bit risky, but I'm going to record it just in case I decide I do want to share this. But essentially I finished so late today. I took on some things that I thought I didn't have enough time to do, and I said that, but still, due to shortage of staff, I felt like I felt as though I had to do some extra things in a very time pressured environment. I finished late. I didn't even make it to handover. I had to hand over to my registrar over the phone, and by this time it's so late in the night right now, and it just really threw me off because I know I have to wake up at 5 in the morning again. It was literally still 10:30 when I was still in the hospital. So you guys do the maths. How many hours do I realistically have to sleep? I still need to have dinner. Considering I didn't even sleep that much last night. I know it's going to be the last day of this whole on-call weekend shift, but I do think that sharing my experiences in some way would help you guys in the future if this is the route you wish to go down. Am I worried about the safety of my journey home tonight? Yes, I am. And you know me, I think solutions all the time. So my next on-call shift, 2 days, is going to be next week. So I have Monday and Tuesday to prepare and find out from my hospital how I can get accommodation for those nights that I'm doing. Because at the end of the day, I fully believe that doctors, if we take care of ourselves, then we can take care of other people. This isn't the first time that I'm functioning on little sleep, and I do think people can function on little sleep for a bit, for a couple of days, but if it was prolonged and I was sleeping 4 hours every day, I don't think I can be my most efficient self, and I'm sure you guys would agree. In conclusion, commuting from home is great when you actually get to spend time at home. Whereas if you're just trying to use it as some kind of a hostel, I don't think it's a great idea. My plan now to be able to get the best of both worlds is to book some temporary accommodation on site for the days that I'm working long hours, and then commute on the rest of the days, and inshallah that happens. And maybe I will share this video with you guys, and yeah, I know it's super risky. I think it's risky, I don't know, maybe you guys can leave a comment below. Haha, that rhymes, haha. Anyway, I'm gonna get some pizza now. That's gonna be my dinner, and then I'm going to go home and sleep. Plan for tomorrow is to be as caffeinated as possible. Also, according to the doctors, tomorrow is going to be more staff, so that should help us feel less overstretched. Anyway, it's time to get up now. I'll see you guys tomorrow.